Alright. We'll do some brakes on the Jeep Liberty. When you're working on brakes and you go to compressing on your brake, you need this open so that the air and fluid will have a place to go. It'll come back up in here versus busting something.
Well, you cutting them pads close.
Yeah, he said they were pretty wore.
Oh, these are, yeah, look at them. You video that.
Yeah, they're pretty thin, ain't they?
Mm-hmm. Caught that just in time. Inside doesn't feel scarred up.
Yeah, it hadn't been making any noise, scraping, so I think we're good there.
Got an air ratchet in there. The old compressor won't keep up.
Mm-hmm. Well, it shouldn't. There you go. Just hit this on there. Pretty tight.
That it is.
You about got it now. There you go. Ooh, flip it over.
Got one bad, one good.
Screwdriver. Yeah. They're thin, for sure. 2 bolts. Now I'll go up.
It's awfully sticky.
There you go. Now you can press it in.
Got your reservoir cap open?
Uh-huh. It shouldn't take much to push that back in.
If you don't otherwise know, always pull this pad and look, because there could be a keyway there that just turns in. On these Jeeps, it ain't the case.
There you go. Now it's going in.
Nice and even.
Once you get it in, then you can get your pads on. There you go. As far as it's going, I believe.
That sounds good.
I can do that.
That sucker's been on there a while.
Yeah, it's 120,000.
I want to hit these seals right here for sure. That's an OEM pad.
That one don't look too bad actually there. Got plenty of pad on it.
That is an OEM pad.
You know it?
Yeah.
That's got plenty of pad on it.
Yeah, outside there, let's grab one more back acts funny. Bucket of grease. Take a thin layer and just
Very little.
not on this side. Bad. I can't stop. Well, this is why. Get anything that touches. This is going to touch inside. Anything that gives you the potential to squeak or move or that annoying sound. That would be this.
That'll do it right there.
Get it down in there. Where's that roller?
They actually make a grease for those, but
Thanks, Napa.
Napa didn't send them. All right.
Ooh, that'll be fun. You don't see a Q-tip for that.
Yeah, they ain't gonna. Well, yeah, might as well run in there.
That's where the, well, maybe.
It's gonna hold it up in there pretty good anyway, but.
I'll get the majority of it. Since Dad didn't bring no Q-tips.
You get that one back in the hole.
Clicks in.
And this one. Wait. Flip it back over.
That's what I'm looking at.
No, flip it back over.
I know.
Now let me look at the pad. What is that?
Grease from my finger.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
It'll stop or it won't. There you go.
Those are in the slots, in the hole. Slide back over.
If I did my job right. These hook on the bottom.
Yeah, they got a little,
Like so.
little slot right here. Yeah.
And then you can get it down. Sometimes. On top. Alright. That in.
Get on there.
There you go.
Sit on. Yep, the little deals are on the grooves. Top is in. As long as your bolts line up, you're in the right place. Bolts line up. Good to go. Good to go. And that's how you change the brakes on the back.
Snug it down pretty good. I told you I had no problem. We don't plan on taking these back off anytime. Alright. There you go.
We don't have to do any adjusting or anything, do we?
We'll do that next.
We'll check the reservoir and see what we did back there. It's probably full. That ain't too bad. It ain't bad at all. It's got Yeah, still got a little more room in it.
The embers, all the ember.
Inside and out, same exact one. So they'll fit anywhere. That's amazing.
You got
I've
two
never-
with wheel indicators.
I've never seen that.
That when your pad starts getting low, this will touch and start going.
Oh yeah.
I hate those,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
they save your rotors. And these go on the outside. These go on the outside where you can see them.
Oh yeah. One outside, one inside. These, the backside, are easy to grease.
I ain't know that. Use a lot more grease too. This is supposed to be an anti
Squealing.
backing,
Yeah.
but I assure you it does not work. But you also don't want to glob it where it leaks down onto your pad or rotor. These sit in here a little different. You don't put them on here. These go on the outside. Here. They clip into these grooves. They go here.
Oh, and clipping that little groove on the top. There.
Yep.
There you go. There's your little.
That should go in pretty easy, honestly.
Yeah. Well, put it in there.
What makes me wonder if this side's supposed to come off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like this bracket right here is supposed to come off. Those other pads just came out because they were worn.
You dig? Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. And there should be a groove back in the back also.
Yeah, but it don't sit like this. It sit like
There is a groove, but it don't have the little clips in it.
Yeah, it does.
It does?
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Transfer.
The front ones sit in those little grooves, and the back ones clip onto this.
Yep. A little different.
A little different. But still, so freaking easy comparatively speaking.
Again.
Push that little deal in. And 2 screws. You see the 12?
Yep. Ish.
There you go. Sure like them tires.
A lot better than the other one.
Quiet ride, smooth ride. Uniroll. There you go.
Just need one on it.
Just get them started.
Well, this one.
Hold it. Yeah.
I'm starting to get a little dirty.
Yeah.
They were tight.
Yeah. There you go. Number 3.
It'll be this one.
Wheel number 4.
Ooh, look how thin that is.
That's pretty thin right there.
The inside is, oh crap. The inside's all the way gone.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah, he said you need to do these pretty soon.
Oh man, that don't get no thinner than that on one side. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty thin. That's what's stopping the vehicle right there at the
Good
front.
rotors. Good rotors.
Rotor's still good. Caught them just in time.
That ain't no lie. I'm talking that really doesn't get any closer.
Mm-mm.
You couldn't even mic that.
It's fixing to, it was fixing to start. Well, do they even have bolts on them things anymore, or do they just,
Rivets?
rivets
Yes. Yeah, they are. They have rivets.
under that plate?
Well, kind of right here. They're kind of welded-ish.
I was thinking they might have just glued them on.
That
there.
might be a pretty good adhesive. You never know.
That may be. I don't know.
All right. See if I can get this back in.
Too many shadows out here today.
That's right.
All you're doing there is just pushing it in. And the reservoir is heading up. Go ahead. Whoa, whoa, ho, ho.
What?
Fitting to come out. Let me let me get a deal. Hang on. Got too much fluid. It was almost coming out.
That sure is clean fluid, though.
So he got my oil can. It is squirting some of it out. Put the oil can inside. That's fine. That's pretty good.
That's
That's
about
probably
right.
enough there. There you go. It was definitely coming out. Or fixing to.
That's the term we use often.
Fixing to? Yeah. Fitting to. Last wheel. Ted, you waiting? You waiting on us to finish? Is that what you doing? What do you want? Huh? You got a ball there? Huh? Well, we'll be through in a few minutes.
Man, I can't believe it's that thin. That's crazy.
That's thin. Definitely thin. So just fit in the groove. Yep. Groove on the bottom, groove on the top. And then the one on the back's got grooves. Can't hardly see them. Oh,
That was almost my toe, in case you didn't see that.
boy, was that lucky.
Here.
Get it.
Never had such good bad luck in my life.
Get in there. Yeah. There you go. Make sure you flip it the same direction so you don't put your brake line in a bind.
That's a cursed bolt. I've dropped it 3 times.
And that's how you change brakes on a Jeep. That is a simple.
The fastest brake job we've done on the ground.
That's the fastest one on the ground. That's right. I mean, that's, like you said, kudos to Jeep. All right, that's how you replace brakes on a 2004 Jeep Liberty, two-wheel drive. Or at least that's how country boys do it, in the middle of the yard. So I guess that's it. Good luck. Hope it helps.